What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to Trek with Bill. Hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to be installing the snorkel I ordered off of Amazon on our Gladiator. So stay tuned for that.
Nice.
Alright, so let's do a quick unboxing here. It's just the box it comes with. Here's a part that attaches to the cowl. Make sure you have your Jeep little toolkit so you can take off the cowl, because, well, you guys wouldn't know it because I'm recording the video. This is my second take because I couldn't find this, so I couldn't take the bolts off for the cowl piece, and then I didn't have it in my toolbox as well. All right, this is the piece that elevates up the windshield. This is the tubing. More tubing. So this will go like this. I know it's on the packaging. Very hard to tell. Rip it open here. It's this part that I had already opened up and pre-assembled due to this being the second take on this video. You can see I already had a gasket on there that comes with, and a washer and L-shaped bracket to install it to the intake. The most important part, the actual scoop up top. And there's one more box. Hope that wasn't too long. Alright, box of goodies. Doesn't say much. Have our instructions. Amphib snorkel for the jail. Tells you everything. It includes, sort of step-by-step instructions. I would look on YouTube just to get a better feeler for the instructions. Here we have the closed off piece. This is the one we're going to be utilizing because it's closed off on the side and it's open up top, so we can do the raised air intake snorkel part. And you also have the low portion, which is open completely on the side and closed on the top. You have all your parts. This does come with the complete, sealing kit, so you can make it waterproof completely or watertight with all the bolts, screws, everything. And you have your silicone tubing as well. Alright, next step will be opening up your hood. If this wanted to be your first step, you could have done that as well. And what we're going to be doing is taking off this 10 mil and then the air intake, the original one, to then replace it with the new one. And later on, we're going to have to trim all the way up in here and open up the cowl piece, take off some stuff. But for now, I think we are good to take off. Grab the 10 mil. There, you don't want to lose that. You do have to reuse it. Loosen that all up. If you have any wires routed around, remove them. Just pop that up. And if you want, you can go ahead and replace these right back down here. And let's go and take this apart. All right, so that piece earlier that I told you, it has you just got to prop out the original one through these tabs, try not to break anything. Put the rubber gasket there. You feed this one through. You put this L bracket in there with the 2 bolts. And now we just mount it in. You want to make sure that's in there. Fully seated. And put this back in there. Hold it down a little bit. All right, don't forget to tighten everything back up, that area. All right, reroute these cables back under here. Completely out of the way. And then I think I'm gonna prop the whole hood up next. So let me take off the cowl piece. I'm gonna use your 40, Torx 40. And you will be reusing these, so don't lose them. All right, took off the whole cowl piece there. All right, so let's prop this all the way up. Try not to knock down the cameras. Set up. All right, perfect. So, yes, it looks great. So we're going to be taking out this foam piece, and this is just glued on here. Oh, and it did have a little tab. Oh well. All right, cool. And then we just need to cut a small piece off of here. Like, it's so minimal, but it does need to get cut. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut. So we got the rubber pieces on there, and now we're just squeezing them in with that, again, soapy water solution. And that one's in all the way. Alright, squeeze it as far back as you can so we can do the front side. The end result here, Amazon raised air intake snorkel. Everything fit and finish very good. The bump stop here in the back.